Cyber Security Strategy 2020 is being formulated. The necessity for this is very well established because the National Cyber Security Policy 2013 was a very well formulated policy. However, beyond that, as you would appreciate, cyber is a domain which sees exponential increase and expansion of technologies, platforms, type of threats, services, as well as aspirations of the community per se. When the National Cyber Security Policy was formulated in 2013, digitalization was not envisaged. At that time, work from home by a large number of people was not envisaged. Whereas today you find post COVID-19, there are thousands of people in India are working from home, and this requires a separate dynamics for security per se, and for this there is a need for upgrading our cyber security into policy. The Government of India has launched the Digital India, Smart India, Industry 4.0 framework connecting a large number of networks and devices. Security of these for ensuring that a new security strategy is envisaged, and that is another reason for this. Now you would appreciate that criminals always keep ahead of the policemen. This is a phenomenon worldwide. And the cyber crime, criminals are always keeping ahead of what the cyber security agents are doing. And keeping that in view, it is always important to envisage what are the new threats, what are the new types of attacks which are coming, and try to keep ahead of them. And this is why, to ensure that the security platforms, organizations, and networks remain ahead of the criminal and disruptive networks, it is envisaged that the cyber security strategy has to be made afresh. In addition, you find the new challenges are emerging, such as data protection is a very much important aspect, and this has become a very hot button political issue globally. Misuse of social media. We already spoke about the social media used by the terrorist networks, but harassment and criminals are also using this. Also, there is growing international cooperation on cyber terrorism and crime, and for this there is a need for having a new cyber security policy. Now, towards this end, a task force has been formed, the task has been all coordinated by the National Cyber Security Coordinator. A draft has been issued, and this draft has been circulated for public consumption and comments, and it is believed that shortly this will be finalized and may be issued in the month of October. The basic elements which are envisaged in this cybersecurity strategy are threefold. One, to have a secure national cyberspace. Second is to strengthen the structures, the people, the processes, as well as capabilities all around. And thirdly, and most importantly, synergize the resources which are available so that effective coordination and cooperation can be achieved, and the cyber threats can be defeated in a conjoint and combined manner.